And kittens.
Yeah. This is my show, Carol Baskin. I don't think so. Welcome to ALCOHELLO. There is no Think Twice Mike here. I am Joe Exotic, and I am here to teach you a fun cocktail that is gonna blow your mind. This drink's gonna be called the Tiger King, because that's what I am. Joe Exotic here, and you know I love me some bananas, so we're gonna add some bananas up in this drink right here. 1 banana, 2 banana, 3 banana, 4. I love bananas, so that's how we're gonna go. 2 bananas up in the blender. Next thing's next, some more banana. We like that banana liqueur. We don't care, we don't measure, because we're trying to kill Carol Baskin up in here. So here we are. A little bit of Bailey's. About equal parts bananas and Bailey's. And then a little bit of rum ski. We're gonna like that rum. And the next thing, since I like bananas and peanuts all together, all at once, all 2 bananas especially at one time, I will put a big old scoop of peanut butter. Just for good sake. And there we are. We will add that all together in the blender at once. And mix it up. Gotta plug in the blender, you guys. Joe Exotic here. Forgot to plug in the blender. Can you mix all that up? And while that's waiting there, getting nice and juicy, we're gonna make our tiger stripes in our drink. So you have a nice cold chocolate syrup, and you're gonna wiggle it around all up in there and get it all juicy like. Yes, sir. Wiggle it. Make them tiger stripes nice and easy. And that's them tiger stripes. So we'll do it for my wife too. Carol, never mind. We're just gonna give them tiger stripes. And then we're gonna unload the blender. Here we go, bananas and peanuts. Yeah, oh, we a little short. And that's what we'll add, the whipped cream. Oh, not enough whipped cream there for nobody. But you know what? We just gotta have the garnish prepared to make sure that everybody knows what this drink is all about. So that is the Tiger King Special Banana Peanut Butter Blender Juiciness. And you can use whatever you want, Kahlua, vodka, I don't care. We here, Joe Exotic style. Thank you very much for watching ALCOHELLO. All this stuff you see here is in the links below. Thank you so much for watching.